ladies and the girls and all other kind of youngsters, whosoever are coming across to us in our professional or personal life. So today's this session, technical session, before I start, first of all, I want to give my heartful thanks to Professor Vijay Lakshmi Chauhan ma'am, who has been always an emeritus godmother to the psychology department, to the UGC Center Women's Studies, and to many other, you may say, centers where she has been always a guiding light, a beacon, a torch bearer for many Udaipurites in her tenure of service, 40 years around, as far as I know, because I'm here for 30 years in this city, and probably I've missed her earlier 10 years more. So I'm so thankful she has been always there. Then I'm also again highlighting and bringing into spotlight the sponsors of this program. They are Dr. Shweta Sharma, CEO, Knowledge Hub Global India; Conference Secretary, Dr. Shailendra Maurya. He is Chairman, Swami Vivekanand Balika Shiksha Prachar Samiti, Jaipur. Our conference convener, Dr. Dolly Mogra, in charge head, MLSU, Udaipur. And then we have also amongst us are another kind of luminaries who have been supporting us to boost this program across not only the borders or within borders, but also in the local areas. We have also among us our scientist Lakshmi ji. We have also among us Dr. Janki Singh Meena sir, who has been here to support us. Sorry, Janak Singh ji. Then I also extend my greetings to Dr. Rashri Chaudhary from the Law Department. Now I come back to my session where I have good many speakers. They have accepted our invitation to be here to guide you all with their thoughtful, enlightened ideas and concepts regarding skill development and economic empowerment. Nowadays, skill development is not just only the hand, or you may say hands-on training development, but it's also related to kind of, you know, including many strands, many streams, where we have already crossed the borders as women, doing work as laborers, entrepreneurs, commanding entrepreneurial officers. Then we are also as industrialists. We have set up many kind of other role models for ourselves. So here we will see that how these women speakers or the session speakers would give us new ideas, how they are getting ahead. Our key speaker is Professor Gayatri Tiwari of this session. Perhaps I request Dolly, the convener, Dr. Dolly, could you remind her where has she gone? Then we have chairperson of this session, Dr. Sachin Gupta, assistant professor from University Commerce College in Management Studies, Mohanlal Sukhadia, Udaipur. Another, our co-chairperson is Dr. UK Sharma, MGS University, Bikaner. Perhaps he has been not here. Then panel speaker is Dr. Vandana Chaturvedi from Chicago. She has just given one word introduction of hers, that she's from Chicago, cross borders, cross Atlantic. Then we have another panel speaker, Dr. P.S. Rajput, Nodal Officer, Red Ribbon Club, Department of Library Science, Mohanlal Sukhadia University. And then our rapporteurs, Dr. Shilpa Babel, are you here? Dr. Shilpa Babel. Student rapporteur, Ms. Himanshi Prajapat, are you here? Ms. Arshia Khan. They are both postgraduate students from this DFTD department, Master of Vocational Studies, second semester. I request both the students repertoire to be please here. So our first speaker, I would like to invite on podium Dr. Sachin Gupta.